Okay, so today, customer was getting these parts made in aluminum before, and they were cracking right here on the bin. So we're gonna make them out of some 12 gauge and ship them out and see if he likes them out of steel instead. Should take care of his problem. But got the code all in Mach 3, and we'll fire up the plasma here. So we're going to try the first one in this cheap little sheet metal brake from Harbor Freight. I think it's only rated to 16 gauge or 18, and this is 12, so I highly doubt it will work. And if it doesn't, we'll switch it over to the Swag off-road brake. So let's give it a try here. Yeah, it might be working. Nah, it doesn't look like it though. Yeah, I think it's just bowing out right here. So we'll take it over to the Swag brake and get them busted out. Let's go get set up over there. So we got our parts bent. The radius obviously isn't as tight as those aluminum ones. I don't know what they were bitting it with, but we are pretty much dead on 90. Well, adjust the camera here. So, I mean, we'll send it to the customer and see if he's happy with that radius or if he wants me to try to tighten it up with a different die or figure something out. But, yeah, for now, shipping them out.